Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I have something really exciting to share with you, especially if you're a big fan of Pokemon Go. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the best Pokemon Go Spoofer currently available, working perfectly on both iOS and Android devices. This spoofer is packed with incredible features that will completely change the way you experience the game. With it, you'll be able to teleport to any location in the world, use a joystick to move around without physically walking, and adjust your movement speed however you like. One of my favorite features is the ability to choose hotspots, meaning you can instantly jump to the best locations around the world to catch rare Pokemon, spin Pokestops, and battle at gyms. Imagine being able to catch Pokemon in cities like Tokyo, New York, or Paris without ever leaving your home. It's honestly insane how much easier and more fun this makes the game. If you want to get this spoofer on your own device, make sure you keep watching, because I'll walk you through everything step by step. The installation process is very easy and completely straightforward. You don't need any technical skills or previous experience. Even if you've never installed anything like this before, you'll be able to follow along without any problems. Just make sure to watch the video carefully and follow every step exactly as I show it. That way, you'll be up and running in no time, exploring the world of Pokemon Go like never before. Alright, if you're ready, let's get started with the tutorial. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called pluginelite.com. Plugin Elite is a website where you can find many apps with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for Pokemon Go and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.